It's November 28th. I got the new GoPro Hero 12 Black and was very disappointed because it doesn't really start up. Press the side button. The light goes on. Front screen goes on. It's almost a full battery. Back screen is dead. Nothing. Done a soft reset. I've also updated the firmware. It will not allow me to firmware anymore. Goes on. It shoots okay. It does record film. It does preview through the phone, but it can't really be used very well without a rear screen working. So it syncs up nice with the phone. Can preview eventually. Any way to speed this up would be really nice. So there's a preview. Then from a settings, this is where we've done the settings. So I was able to get the back screen lit for a very brief moment, and the only thing I got to change on it was changing the beeps to medium because they were too loud. By the time I got to LEDs, couldn't do anything about it. So these are the settings. Nothing's really different than what the factory came except for the beeps, and I've changed that back. Just to add to what I was saying before, I did take the battery out. I did put the battery back in. I changed the battery. I put a fully charged battery in. You do get the red beeping, but nothing.